Hello everybody, this is George, developer of this app, and I want to show you, since the Mega Million now is over $1 billion, and it happened before to be over a billion big jackpots, to show you how to generate numbers in the app. There are multiple ways to generate numbers. First one is to just refresh the numbers, and it'll get the numbers from statistics below. Here you see the statistics, average of balls, min ball, max ball. You can adjust before you generate the numbers from both ways, on the top slider or on the bottom one, right? This will take the percentage of results. You can change the number of numbers. You can put like 500, will be good enough. These are the most recent um, values, and if you adjust now, a bit different selection on the top slider. You can also see a graphic here of the latest values. You can see the bottom, like a bell graphic of the statistics. You can change the min ball. When you adjust here, it will be adjusted on the home page. Another way to generate numbers is to pick from the list. These are generated numbers in the same range, um, and you can pick a set of numbers and it'll show up here. Once you select these numbers and you play the numbers, you can click on the card here and say, I played this set of numbers like 10 times. Save it, and then it'll be saved in the played set of numbers, and the application will let you know if you have any results, any winning numbers from the next draws. You can pick the numbers manually from a list. You can have a random number selection or view, and you can pick the numbers, select the numbers, and you are generated here or are put back here on the top card. Same, you can play the numbers for the next time. You can edit the numbers two ways. You can tap on the ball and change the value, or you can select, go back to the view where you can pick the numbers and save it. It's kind of similar way. You can change the games here. There are a lot of games. If you want to see the results for Mega Millions, you tap on the chart and you see the results of previous games you played. And if you can tap on one of the cards, will give you details on the statistics of the each draw. You can also check the set of numbers against the numbers previously draw, and you see if there are like 3 or more numbers. And it looks like about 2 years ago, the numbers were like 2 plus 1. This is a nice feature. You can check some set of generated numbers to see if ever won this game. There are not other options here to like test the numbers. If you want to test the numbers, you look at here. You say, I want to generate, like you can generate up to 10,000 combination. I'll choose like 5,000, for example. It will take some time to generate the set of numbers to be unique and to don't repeat the same set of numbers. After the generating the numbers, you can save, and then it'll give you some statistics of how it performed, right? It's saving the data, and here's all the generated numbers. Based on top, here's the last draw on December 23rd. You can change the the numbers here, the values. For example, on December 20th, you can have a report here and say 3 numbers was 6 times. You can change to a different date, and 3 plus 1 was once, and 3 numbers was 11 times. This is kind of a demonstration to see that even if you play 10,000 combinations, you can still not win the big jackpot. It's very hard to win that. Statistics is like impossible to win that one, but from millions of people that play, somebody won at one point. Going back to statistics page, you can change between different games here. You can change Powerball. There are about 350 games you can choose from in the app. From Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, South America. For example, let's choose here a game where it's the Mega Millions, right? The one we have on the main screen. You can change the statistics range here, and it will be updated on the main screen. You can pick how many draws you want. Let's put here like 400, save it, and you can see the statistics on each value. You can tap on the header of the board and see the statistics is updated by the last time the bonus number was 8, and balls here you can do the same. Last time this happened, the hot numbers and the least drawn numbers. The top are like this here, and when was the last time this happened. Let's go back to the tickets played I told you at the beginning. For example, I played Powerball a while ago 10 times, and it will give you the results on how often, how many winning numbers you had. Also, you have here a history of all the generated numbers from what I played in the past. And for example, we can add also favorite excluded numbers. I have some numbers here. If I want to remove one, I click on the number. If not, I can add here a number. I'll say plus, and I have the 17 here. Also the same here. You can remove or not the numbers. The way it's working, the favorite and excluded numbers, when it's generating the numbers, favorite are 100 times one number, the excluded are 1 time, and a normal number is 10 times. And this is why where excluded is 1 time, because sometimes if you put all the numbers in excluded, we need to pick some of the numbers. Otherwise, the algorithm will like fail not having the numbers if no numbers are available to pick from. Favorite is so much more in the statistics, 100 times more favorite to be drawn or in the generated numbers. You can change a number settings. For example, for a game, there are countries in the world where you can pick, instead of 5 numbers, I want to pick 6 numbers, and I'll come here and change the games to be 6 numbers or 7 numbers, right? Save it, and this will give you the option here to generate 7 numbers instead of just 5. And if I play this set of numbers 10 times, and I'll put it last year, save it, and if I go back to tickets played, I'll see my set of numbers, how many times was to win the numbers. It looks like I didn't have much luck. I hope you enjoyed the application. Let me know if you win. You can purchase some of the features in the app, and let me know if you have suggestions or games that are not in the app I can add later. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Good luck. Let me know if